If you're looking to restore your vehicle's clutch system to peak performance, the LuK OEM clutch release repair kits are the perfect solution. Designed for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, motorcycles, scooters, ATVs, and UTVs, these clutch sets are an essential part of your vehicle's operation, ensuring smooth and reliable shifting. Each kit is 100% functionally tested to meet the exact OEM performance specifications for your vehicle's make, model, and year. The LuK replacement clutch cylinder is crafted with precision, making sure it fits perfectly and functions as seamlessly as the original part. The clutch slave cylinder plays a crucial role in modern clutch systems, connecting the pedal to the clutch and greatly influencing your driving experience. As an original equipment supplier, LuK designs each component with exceptional attention to detail, ensuring the highest standards of quality. These hydraulic components are engineered for flawless performance, helping to maintain the integrity of your vehicle's clutch system. The advanced technology used by Schaeffler under the LuK brand has made a significant impact on hydraulic clutch actuation systems, and this kit is no exception. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a professional, the easy installation process and long-lasting durability make this kit the go-to option for your clutch repair needs. Don't let a faulty clutch system slow you down. Get the LuK Clutch Release Repair Kit today and restore your vehicle's performance. Click the link in the description to purchase and ensure smooth shifts on your next drive. Subscribe to the channel for more top-quality products.